Hi friends. I present to your attention a dish of fried potatoes with meat in the oven. This recipe was born on a whim, so choose the amount of ingredients to your liking. First, cut the peeled potatoes into cubes. Add a little vegetable oil and butter to a preheated pan and fry the potatoes with the addition of spices and salt. After frying, place the potatoes on a baking sheet. Cut pork into the same cubes as potatoes, fry in the same way. Just salt and add spices after the meat is a little fried, then it will be juicy. I replace salt with soy sauce. We spread the meat to the potatoes, mix and send to a preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Grate the washed carrots, cut the onion into small cubes. Fry in vegetable oil, spread to the potatoes, mix and we send it to the oven for 5 minutes. Then add the garlic passed through a press and after 5 to 7 minutes our dish is ready. Before serving, sprinkle the potatoes with finely chopped herbs. Pickled tomatoes or cucumbers go well with this dish. Enjoy your meal. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you.